Hey, I'm Aubrey, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use each mode on your Shark 3-in-1 air purifier, heater, and fan. To enable purified air mode, make sure the dial on the right side is turned toward the air purification icon. In purified air mode, clean air will diffuse out of the rear vents and circulate throughout your space without a directed airstream. One thing I love about purified air mode is the Clean Sense IQ technology, which automatically adjusts purification based on the air quality in my home. By using the removable remote, you can customize the air quality display, making it simple to understand the air in your home. To do so, press the air info button on the remote. These options include percentage of clean air, time to clean, or estimated time it will take to get your air quality to good, indicated by the blue light ring. 3 different PM readings, PM1, PM 2.5, and PM 10. PM values correlate to the type of pollutants in your air. This display helps you understand what your air purifier is trapping. Small particles like viruses have a value of PM1, and larger allergens like pollen and dust have a value of PM 10. Other air quality displays include room temperature and filter life. Besides the air quality display, there are options to optimize how your air purifier responds to your environment. You can automate the air purification rate by activating auto mode. The air purifier will automatically adjust the airflow based on the quality of air in your home. After 10 minutes of 100% clean air in auto mode, your air purifier will enter eco mode to save energy, reduce noise, and optimize your filter life. Using the remote, you can also manually adjust the fan speed using the left and right arrows. If you want to clean your room's air more quickly, increase the airflow level to max or level 6. For a quiet clean, Shark recommends adjusting the fan speed to the lowest setting. This air purifier is also equipped with 3 brightness settings, a shut-off timer, and a child lock feature. This display can be lit to 100%, 50%, or 0 brightness. Now at night, I like to turn the brightness all the way down so I can enjoy clean air while I sleep. With the timer, you can also choose the number of hours you want to run your air purifier until it turns off. To activate, press the timer button on the remote multiple times to select between 0 and 12 hours. There is also an option to enable child lock. Press and hold the timer oscillation buttons for 2 seconds to lock the controls on the remote. Press and hold again to unlock. Now with my little ones in my home, I like to lock the settings on my air purifier. I know it's running at my preferred settings, and everyone can just breathe more easily, especially at nighttime. The great thing about this 3-in-1 air purifier is that it's always purifying your air. Even when the fan or heater is being used, you can be confident that you're breathing purified air 100% of the time. To enable purified fan or heat mode, make sure the dial is turned in the proper direction toward the fan and heat icons. In these modes, the clean air will be directed out of the front vents and project throughout your space. Now that the dial is set, the air purifier will default to the purified fan mode. On the remote, locate the fan icon. Use the left and right arrows to increase and decrease the fan speed. For additional fan customization, use the remote to enable oscillation mode. The front vents can be adjusted up and down to your desired airflow angle. To activate purified heat mode, press the thermometer icon on the remote. The air purifier will prompt you to set a target temperature or the temperature you want your room to reach. Use the arrows on either side of the thermometer button to set your desired temperature. The target temperature will automatically lock in, confirmed by the double flash and double beeps of the red temperature readout. If instead you like a constant heating experience with no shutoff, set the heater to high. To do so, raise the target temperature to the highest setting. Once your air purifier has warmed up, heated purified air will flow from the front vents. The front display will show your room temperature and a red thermometer icon to show what the air purifier is actively heating. I typically set my target temperature to about 73 degrees in my living room. It just adds the perfect temperature for me and my little ones, and it keeps us nice and warm throughout the colder months. Once the room has reached your target temperature, the air purifier will react and stop heating. If your room temperature drops below the target setting, the heater will kick back on to maintain your desired temperature. To turn off purified heat mode, press the thermometer icon on your remote again. The air purifier will return to purified fan mode, and the fan speed can be adjusted accordingly. To exit purified fan mode and heat mode but continue with air purification, turn the dial back toward the air purification icon. The clean air will diffuse out of the rear vents, circulating throughout your space. Well, now that you're an expert on customizing your Shark Air Purifier, you can enjoy a confident and comfortable clean in your home. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.